So guys, for the first step, you want to find Chrome on your desktop, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then where it says target, you want to put a space, and then you want to type in dash dash no dash sandbox, and then click on OK, and then click on continue. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search, and then type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to type in gp update space / force, and then click on enter. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. Now once you run this, you want to click on services, and then you want to tick hide all Microsoft services, and then you want to click on disable all, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer, and then once you restart your computer and you're back in here again, you want to head over to search and type in system configuration again. Click on it. Then you want to click on services, tick hide all Microsoft services again, and then you want to enable all, and then click on OK. Restart again, and then the problem should be fixed.